Now, the Asian financial market continues to fall as stock markets and currencies in this region dipped, continuing the trend from last week. Falling oil prices and a long-anticipated U.S. interest rate hike has left investors on edge. Our Kwon Jang Ho brings us the details.
The Asian stock markets tumbled again on Monday. The Japanese Nikkei Index fell by 1.8%. The Hong Kong Hang Seng Index was down 0.72%, and the Korean KOSPI fell by 1.07%. It was a continuation of last Friday's sell-off, which marked the worst day for global equities since September. Only China stocks were up after weekend data showed China's factory output growth was at a 5-month high. But the Chinese yuan dropped for the 7th day in a row. The Korean won also suffered, ending the day 1,184.71 against the dollar, the lowest it has been since September. The continuing slide in the price of oil has been cited as one of the main reasons for Asia's markets being so rattled. US crude oil hit a 7-year low last Friday, and it has led to investors dropping risky assets in Asia for fears that the low oil prices signal weak global demand. Then there's the US Federal Reserve's meeting taking place on Tuesday and Wednesday. After months of uncertainty, it is now widely expected that the Fed will decide to raise the interest rate for the first time in nearly a decade, which spells bad news for Asia.
For countries in Asia, we can expect capital outflow and stock prices to drop, affecting their economies negatively. In Korea, capital outflow is likely to be less severe, but if other Asian countries suffer a downturn, Korean exports could suffer, and that would hurt the country's economy.
Over the next few days, all eyes will be on the Fed in the US, as it's likely to finally pull the trigger on the rate hike. Kwon Jang Ho, Arirang News.